Onward comes out soon.
Ah, we'll have to go see it.
Mm.
And Milan for that matter.
Yeah, that's end of March, isn't it? Milan.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to them both.
Oh, glad to get to see Bad Boys 2.
I know 3 that is.
Oh,
if
3,
you went
yes.
God, there must be a lot. Maybe it's a bike or something. Bloody hell, when people are crossing. Is that police crossing? Oh,
they're arresting people.
Hey.
Guys on rail replacement, they have got no chance.
That's just double.
That is double
rail
whammy.
replacement and a car.
At least the guy's up there talking to them. That's quite nice of him.
Yeah, we're always probably saying is, yeah, I don't know what's going on.
They have got no hope.
Oh, that is awful. Bless him. He looks cold. He's quite an older chap as well.
What the frick are you doing, stupid man? Sorry. Fucking hell. Seriously? You can plainly see me.
What a tune, although somehow turning the pain of getting ejected from the club queue into the battle. That is Levy for the weekend.
Come on, you saw that guy coming.
It is 10:48 Bank Holiday Monday.
Either just hold off a bit or you speed up. You don't just get in the way.
They can't have 24 hours.
Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot. Are we going with 2 seats or are we going with 3 still?
Well, I'm going to say 3 at the moment, because I still don't know what Stephen's situation is going to be. But I mean, if it comes to it's difficult moving, then I might just say to them, well, can we move 2 seats and just have 2 seats then?
I thought we were thinking about going down to 2 anyway because of the cost of it.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm still a bit undecided really because I've been, I suppose I haven't got so much working at the moment as to whether I can't really afford to do that. But yeah. I don't know, I'll probably put in for 3 at the moment and then decide near the time.
Oh, that's fine. Cut across. No indication or anything. Oh, fuck you.
Supermarket is helping you find cheaper insurance, better interest rates, and easy ways to manage your bills. You can find many more small steps towards money car.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm James, and I'd love for you to check out my
That's fine, just pull across. Indicating means you can do whatever the hell you want.
On early work is the wonderful Mark. Or scoring extra poppadom with your takeaway. Or joining Tesco Mobile and finding
Jesus Christ.
and 99% UK network coverage.
What an idiot now, BMW. You're parked fully on the pavement. Not supposed to be like that. And against the flow of traffic. What the root is that? Another one. And another one there. What the? What is with all the scarecrows down this road? There's another one. If anyone knows, please let me know why them got all these scarecrows down this road in Stapleford Abbots. And there's another one. And more, what the hell? Is that one climbing the lamppost? Or climbing the sign? What is going on? I'm sure that's a parking space there.
It took around 9 months to get passenger levels back up to pre-crisis figures. But at the moment, airlines are taking new measures each and